mouse if you
Oh, he was a chest.
Whoa.
Whoa. Looking at fossils.
What, he was a chest? What, he was a chest? He was a chest, boy.
Hey, that's a chest.
We have one of these.
Oh, that's just a remote. Hey, let's look at this pine cone.
Pine cone?
Hey, look at this jellyfish. Look at this squid.
Why do you think that's a jellyfish?
Oh, what's that?
Oh, can you even adjust this thing?
No.
Oh, that's a dandelion.
Mama, look. Squid. Ooh.
Yeah.
Come on, Binge.
Turn it over and see what the name of it is.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
You want to turn it over and see if it has a name?
It
No.
doesn't have a name. Oh, it does. Squid conformation. What?
This
Okay.
thing is weird. Look at that. There's a tiny squid. Whoa, that thing's creepy. Adjust it.
Hey, let me adjust it.
Adjust it.
Oh, that thing's creepy.
Oh, and then adjusted this.
No, you can't adjust
Oh, there. Mama, look. There's some squid. Mama, I found a squid. Mama, look.
Okay.
Look what
Found
the
the
squid
squid.
looks like. That's what a squid
Wait, can I
is.
check this buggy?
Hey, let's look at this
No,
side.
this.
Boys, did you poison
Oh,
That's disgusting. Hey, and then now
Oh,
look at this.
this is your nightmares. I'm not saying you're.
Now let's look
What?
at this.
Oh, that thing's not creepy.
Benjamin, come on.
Boys,
That's
boys,
a-
move
is that a
that.
bat
Move
skeleton?
that, Benjamin.
A
Move
bat
that.
skeleton.
That's what I
What
thought.
am I looking at?
Boys,
That's straight from your nightmares.
Okay, guys.
boys,
I'm
move
not
that.
ever going back there ever again.
Move that. Move that. Let me do
So
something.
now let's look at this bat skeleton.
And then let's adjust to this. Because I want to do it by myself.
Wait, let's adjust it back so we can't see it all.
Oh, Mama, look at that.
can't see.
What is that? Look at that.
A lemur.
What is that
Boys,
noise?
move that.
Well, we've got a thunderstorm outside.
I'm just wondering what is that noise?
Let's go see if we can make a. We'll have to make a run for the car.
I don't think we'll make it. Because we're going.
Okay, guys, we need.
If there is a
here's some
tornado, just
bats.
hide
Bats.
under.
Oh, snacks.
Oh, yes,
Mama.
snakes. You said
Mama, let's
snakes.
look at snakes. I love snakes. They're my favorite creature.
Wait, Western cottonmouth. Those things.
That's what you saw, Mama. A western cottonmouth.
Yeah, is that what it looks like?
Oh, that's a rattlesnake. That's a diamondback rattlesnake.
Oh, those things are.
That's
more
a
dangerous.
priority.
You see its
Like,
eyes?
that's a western.
Can you see its eyes?
Mama, remember
I'm glad
Looks
that
like a
wasn't
little-
out.
Looks like a little mouse with wings.
Mama, come over here.
Look at these are pretty.
Let me see.
Something pretty.
Hey,
Oh,
Mama.
Uh-huh.
Mama.
Oh,
That was you saw this kind of snake.
No.
no, Mama. Mama.
I've
no,
seen
you mean when
one.
you was on that tractor, Mama? You saw
This-
a western cottonmouth.
I don't know if it was a
Did you
western.
see a
What?
I don't know if it was western. It was
Mama,
probably
look
black.
at this. This is in your nightmares.
No.
Look at that.
Something
That's in your.
worse.
Do you guys
This.
What is
It has
that?
eyes.